In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful methods that you can use to promote affiliate links legally, ethically, and without investing a single cent. You can use this method to make hundreds of dollars every single day. As you can see right here, if I'm going to go to my Warrior Plus dashboard and I'm going to filter by this week, you can see I'm very close to making my first $1,000 in a single week just by using this method. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing this. I'm going to show you all the websites and all the tools that I'm using so you can go ahead and start doing this method yourself, start promoting affiliate links very efficiently and get these same results too. Now you may have seen many other videos showing you how to promote affiliate links using sketchy methods, but in this video I'm going to show you a live example how other people are actually using this method, because actually this is one of the best websites that you can use to get traffic to your affiliate links without actually having to pay for anything at all. So just make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you never miss out any of my future videos. And now let's get right to it. So one of the main factors in successfully promoting your affiliate links is actually doing your own research, because you want to be promoting something that's in demand. If you're going to promote something that's not in demand, you're going to have very hard time actually making some money with it. But today I'm going to give you some tools that I've been using myself personally to do my own research on which I'm choosing which niche I'm going to promote in affiliate marketing. So first of all, just go to Google and look for Google Trends. Just hit search, and if you're going to go to this site right here, it's called Google Trends. It's a tool developed by Google, and it's one of the best tools that you can use for checking out what people are actually looking for. If you go to the search bar, just type in something that you're interested in promoting. For example, if you're going to promote a how to make money online product, just go ahead and type in something like how to make money online. Then just click on it, and you can see right here in this graph that it is a very highly searched term. How to make money online has been searched this much. You can see right here there's this scale from 0 up to 100, 0 being the lowest search, absolutely nobody's looking for it, and 100 being highest, that it's getting so much traffic. Now if you take a look at this graph right here, it's being searched for very highly. But if I'm going to try something more specific, for example, how to make money on Instagram, I'm going to search for that. And as you can see right here, if you get a little more specific, you can see that it has its ups and downs. How to make money on Instagram is actually being searched high enough so you can promote products related to it, because as you can see, it has its peaks where it's being searched very highly, and then it has its lows where it's not being searched as much. But the important thing is, you can see right here at the end of this graph, this trend is rising again. So around this time, between February the 5th and February the 11th, 2023, how to make money on Instagram is a rising trend. So for example, if I were to choose a product that I want to promote, I would go for something that's actually showing people how to make money on Instagram. Now, if you are going to be using this site, you can do your very own research, choose a niche that is highly in demand, that is highly searched for, and then just choose your affiliate product accordingly. For example, if I were to promote a product in the how to make money online niche, definitely looking for something that has to do with Instagram is a good choice right now. So this is one of the free tools that I've been using to tip ads a little bit more in my favor. Doing the niche research is an important thing. Now, for example, let's say I have decided to promote something in the how to make money online niche, and the best affiliate products for this niche you can find on Warrior Plus. If you want to try this, just go to warriorplus.com, sign up for your free account very quickly, then just log in, then just go to affiliate marketplace right here at the top, click on offers, and then you just get to choose from these many offers that have to do something with the make money online niche. Now, as you can see, I've been promoting some of these already. For example, anything to do with AI is very hot right now. Some of my viewers have been actually messaging me, asking me which products do I promote on Warrior Plus, and at this point in time, AI products have been selling well. So if you're going to choose something to promote, choose some of these that have something to do with AI. Just use your product, and then you're going to have to click on, let me show you on the other product, because I've been promoting this one. I already have my affiliate link right here. But if you're going to promote a product for the first time, you're going to have to request an approval. Just click on request an approval. What you want to write here is something like hi, I'm a beginner affiliate marketer, state your name, and I would like to try promoting your affiliate product to make money online. Then say something about how you are going to promote the affiliate link, that you're not going to send just spam traffic to it, and then finish it with something, I would like to kindly ask you to give me a chance to start making money with your product, kind regards, say your name, and some stuff like that. Then just click on request offer, and after some time you will be approved for promotion and you will get your affiliate link right here. Then you can start promoting the product, and I'm actually going to show you one of the most powerful sites where you can promote your affiliate links. But first I'm going to show you another important step that's required if you want to be successful in promoting affiliate links. You need to do your keyword research, because we are going to be using a site that's going to be driving traffic from Google search, and for the best possible results you want to use a keyword or bunch of keywords that are going to give you the best possible chance that your article is going to be seen by anybody who's going to search for something related on Google. So just go to this site right here that's called Uber Suggest, and this is actually one of the best keyword research tools that I have stumbled upon while doing online marketing, and it's completely free. What you want to do is just sign in using your Gmail account, and then just go to keyword research right here on the left side. And if you're going to type into the search bar something, for example, like how to make money on Instagram, and hit on search, you will get all this data to actually decide how to promote your affiliate links more efficiently. For example, as you can see, how to make money on Instagram is being searched for 14,800 times. And you can see the SEO difficulty for this exact keyword is 74, which is pretty high. You can see right here, if you're going to hover over this bubble, it's going to show you that the higher the number, the higher the competition for the keyword. But it's pretty easy to get paid using this keyword if you're actually going to get the traffic with this keyword. Now what you can actually do is just scroll a little bit more down, and you can see right here, Uber suggests it's going to give you an alternatives for the keywords that you can use instead to make this a little bit more easier. For example, all these search terms are going to show you how often the mentioned term is searched for, and it's going to give you this scoring of search terms that you can use instead. For example, this one right here, which is how to make money on Instagram, has search difficulty of 70. So for example, if you want a term on how to make money on Instagram that you will have easier time promoting, just go up here into the search bar and type in something like how to make money on Instagram for teens. Try different keywords, see what the score is for each of these keywords that you want to use to promote your affiliate links, decide which ones you want to use, and now actually let's move to the site that we are going to be using to promote affiliate links. Just go to Google and search for medium.com. This is one of the most powerful websites that you can use to promote your affiliate links, because this website is like a forum where everybody and anybody can write articles and submit the articles for everyone else to read. And if you do the right research, choose the right keywords and the right niche, your article is going to get pushed in Google, and people are actually going to read your article. And because I'm going to show you how to promote affiliate links on Medium, you will start getting tons of targeted traffic to your affiliate links. Now if you check this out using SimilarWeb, Medium is getting over 147 million monthly visitors, and if you scroll down you can see that the 25% of them are from United States. So if you want to promote affiliate links for United States, Medium is actually one of the best tools that you can use, because if you're going to promote on some website that gets less visits, for example like million a month, and you're going to get 1% out of a million visitors to your article, you're going to get like 10,000 people to read your article. But if you're going to use Medium with its 147 million monthly viewers, and you get 1% of that traffic to your article, you're going to get almost 1.5 million viewers. Now affiliate marketing is obviously a numbers game, so the more viewers you get to your affiliate links, the higher the chance you're going to make the money. So that's why Medium is actually one of the most powerful websites that you can use to promote your affiliate links. All you need is just the right article and the right keywords. Now to actually show you this is a process that's being done by other affiliate marketers, I'm going to show you, for example, let's search for how to make money with AI. Hit search, and you're going to get all these articles that people can find just as easily as you did right now. And if one of these articles is being your article, you can start promoting your affiliate links easily. Now for example, if I'm going to open this one right here, you can see that this person right here is providing free value in form of this article explaining in detail how to make money selling AI art. But if you check this out closely, this person is doing the exact thing that I'm doing to promote my affiliate links and the thing that I'm trying to teach you in this video. You can see right here they have this sentence here: I have a website where I sell my digital artwork and social media templates. And actually this is a clickable button. If you're going to click it, you will be taken to this site where the author of this article is selling their AI art. Now if you don't have your own website that you want to sell your products on, it's completely okay. All you need to do is just create an article something like this and embed the affiliate link into the article just like this. Now actually you may be wondering if this is even legal or even ethical to do this to promote affiliate links, but if you go to the Medium rules and scroll all the way down, you can see right here in this ads, promotions and marketing section of Medium rules, if you want to promote affiliate links, all you have to do is just disclose those are affiliate links. Now because the person was actually promoting their own website, they don't have to disclose that, but in your article all you have to do to not get trouble with Medium is just enter a single sentence that this article is going to contain affiliate links, and I'm going to receive a commission for each of the purchase that the potential visitor is going to make. So you don't have to worry about anything like that. This is completely legal, this is ethical, and many people are doing it. Now actually you may be wondering how to get a high quality article to post on Medium, and I'm going to be honest here, a year ago this was a very difficult process. You will have to write the entire article yourself, but now it's easier than ever. Just go to this website right here. This is a simple, clever, free tool that you can use to generate your articles. Actually, do let me know down in the comments if you have heard of this tool before. I'm not sure it's getting enough recognition, so if you've heard of it before, just comment down below that you have heard of this site before. And then just what you want to do is just go to this prompt bar right here and write here something that's going to sound like this: please write me an 800-word article on how to make money on Instagram and include some numbered points. That's just my own preference to make it a little bit more professional. Then just hit enter, and just like that you can see it's going to give you a high quality article that you can post on Medium, that you can embed with your affiliate links, and that way you can drive traffic to them and make money. Now actually, while ChatGPT is doing its thing, I'm going to go back to and I'm going to give you a bunch of ideas on articles that you may actually want to write. If you really want to put emphasis on product that you're going to be promoting from Warrior Plus, for example, let's say you really want to promote the GPT tag product on Warrior Plus, if you go to their affiliate page, you can see you get these swipes right here at the top, and you can choose these email swipes, but they are not going to make that good of an article for Medium. What you want to actually do is just go to Warrior Plus, and you need to copy the name of the product. It's a very simple process. You just need to copy the name of the product if you don't want to rewrite it. Go back to ChatGPT, and in the meantime it has generated this article on how to make money on Instagram. But if you don't want to use article just like this, you can ask ChatGPT to write you a review of the product. Just simply go back to this bar and write there, please write me a 500-word review of Warrior Plus product GP tag. Hit enter, and just like that ChatGPT will write you an entire review of this product. And because you are going to write an article of this product, you will have that much easier time promoting it and selling it, because people are going to read the article and they are going to be primed for it already. So if they see an affiliate link where they actually can get the product, all the selling is going to be done by this simple article. And if you actually go to Medium and you're going to search for Warrior Plus review, you can see there's not much of these. That's the reason why writing reviews and actually embedding them with your affiliate links is one of the best ways that you can use to promote your affiliate links on Medium, because there is not that high of a competition. This is actually a secret knowledge, guys, so make sure to smash that like button, because I'm just giving you free value that you can use to make hundreds of dollars. And if you're going to check this article out, you can see that it's basically a detailed review of an affiliate product from Warrior Plus, and you can see right here that there's this section that's obviously a button embedded with an affiliate link. If you're going to check out, this person has actually put multiple of these affiliate link buttons into the article, and if you're going to click it, it's going to take you to a sales page of this product. And actually, if I were to make a purchase right now, this person who created this article will make a commission. So for example, if I want to promote GP tag right now, I would just copy this article, go to Medium, click on write button right here, create a catchy title, for example something like GP tag review by Andy Caddwell. Then just copy this article from ChatGPT, paste it right here, something like this. Then just go to the sales page of GP tag, copy this image, for example, right here, save it, go back to Medium, then just click on this plus button, upload the image, something like this. Just bear with me here, guys. I'm doing this on the go as I'm recording this video to show you exactly how it works, so it's not going to look very professional. But what you want to do is actually invest time into creating a high quality article, putting some eye-catching images right there. Then just simply go into this one of these sections, make a space there, and write something like this. To check out GP tag product, click here. Then just go to Warrior Plus, grab my affiliate link for GP tag, go back to the article, select this section, click on this link button right here, embed it with my affiliate link, and that's pretty much done. This is how easy it is to promote affiliate links on Medium. Now the important part to actually not get in trouble with Medium is just go down here and you want to write there something like this. This article contains affiliate links. Every time a potential customer visits a link and makes a purchase, I will receive a commission. Then just publish this article. Obviously I'm not going to be publishing this because it looks terrible, but actually this is one of the ways that I'm using to make money on the internet using affiliate marketing. And as you can see right here, I'm having pretty good results. For the past 7 days I made over $1,400. I'm just going to refresh this real quick to see if I can catch a live sale on the video, but let's put it to this week. Obviously I wasn't able to catch a live sale on this video. Maybe next time. Now this is pretty much it, guys. Now you know how to promote affiliate links using one of the most powerful tools that are on the internet, available completely for free. So if you're looking forward to making hundreds of dollars, just go out there, put this to work, make some money with it, and after you do, return to this video and do let me know down in the comments how much money you have made using this. Other than that, if you're hungry for some more money making content, try checking out this video right here or even this one right here. And I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.